Abhilash, I'm telling about Pactive Voice. Pactive Voice.
Very good, Nana.
My topic is Abhilash kisses Avinash.
The love
Abhilash loves Avinash.
ఓకే సో నీ టాపిక్ ప్యాచ్ బేస్ చెప్తారు మీరు ఓకే క్యారీ ఓకే చెప్పండి యాక్టివిస్ట్ ఎవరు ఇటు వచ్చి అయితే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు స్టార్ట్
Simple past active voice.
చెప్పమ్మా
Introduction.
అవసరం డైరెక్ట్ చెప్పే
Simple past active voice. Abhilash loved Avinash. Abhilash loved Avinash. Passive voice. Simple past. Avinash was loved by Abhilash. Past continuous active voice. Abhilash was loving Avinash. Passive voice. Past continuous.
నీ పేరు మీకే తెలియదు
Abhilash.
అయిపోయింది
Past continuous. Avinash was being loved by Abhilash. Past perfect active voice. Abhilash had loved Avinash. Passive voice. Past perfect. Avinash had been loved by Abhilash. Simple present. Simple present. Abhilash loves Avinash. Simple present. Passive voice. Avinash is loved by Abhilash. Future continuous. Abhilash. The present continuous. Abhilash is loving Avinash. The present continuous passive voice. Avinash is being loved by Abhilash. Present perfect. Abhilash.
వాయిస్ యాక్టివేషన్ చెప్పండి
Present perfect active voice. Abhilash has loved Avinash. Present perfect passive voice. Avinash has been loved by Abhilash.
గుడ్
Simple future. Abhilash will love Avinash. Simple future passive voice. Avinash will be loved Abhilash. By Abhilash. Future continuous active voice. Abhilash will be loving Avinash. Future continuous. Future continues. Future continues. Avinash will be being loved by Abhilash. Future perfect active voice. Abhilash will have loved Avinash. Simple future perfect passive voice. Avinash will have been loved by Abhilash.
క్లాప్స్ కొట్టండి అందరూ
Seventh class today.